Well, hey there, it's Bruce Laird from Livewire Electrical Solutions, and today I'd like to share with you just a little bit about how to change out a foot switch. This foot switch is like all other foot switches, I suppose. It's a momentary contact switch that is activated by this button being depressed with your foot, or I guess in this particular instance with your finger. I have taken the liberty of taking off 3 of the 4 screws with this screwdriver right here, and we will just simply remove the last one so that I can show you what it looks like inside of this switch. You lift off the front plate and you can leave the button inside like that. I would turn it upside down like it is right now. And then that reveals inside of here the switch that we use, the momentary contact switch. This spring goes over here with this piece, and you can use that a little bit later. Inside of here, you'll notice that only one side of this cord to the lamp is switched. That is the hot side, or in this case, what we would call the switch leg in the industry. So the neutral portion of the wire wraps around and does not get switched. Only the hot side gets switched. And we can discuss a little bit later about how to determine what is the hot and what is the neutral of any cord that you might have. After you take this top portion of the case off, you can remove the bottom portion just like that. And you can see here, a little clearer, how one side goes around the switch, the other side actually is the portion that is switched. I'm also using, in this case, a eyeglass repair kit screwdriver because, well, as you can see a little bit later on in the video, it's really the best use of this tool, I believe, for our purposes. As you can see, it's a fairly small it's a small screwdriver, and the way that we do this is we push the end of this screwdriver right into this hole. You can see that? There we go, right there. Push that right into that hole. When you do that, it actually releases the grip on this wire, on this side. As you can see, it's fairly easy. Once you push this in, you can pull that wire right out. I suppose easy in this sense is not going to be as easy as we thought. Push it and pull that straight out like that. You can see that the wire actually has a copper sleeve that's been put down on it. It's been crimped on it so that it won't splay the stranded wires too much. Turn this in the opposite direction and do the same thing on the other side. That takes this switch off of this wire, and you can replace the wire or the switch by just reversing those particular directions. In the next video, we'll show you exactly how that looks.